Earn $400/day with Rask AI, a beginner's guide to making money online in 2024. Welcome to another exciting video. Are you tired of the daily grind and searching for ways to make money online from the comfort of your own home? If you answered yes, then you're in the right place. This video will show 5 effective methods you can leverage Rask AI to start earning real money online, even if you're a complete beginner with no prior experience. So, grab a notebook and pen, buckle up, and get ready to discover the secrets to earning up to $400 a day with Rask AI. Method 1. Become a translation powerhouse. Unlocking a global audience with video translation. Rask AI can translate your video audio into various languages, allowing you to reach a global audience. For example, Mr. Beast uses translations to expand his audience, generating more views and revenue. This method taps into new markets efficiently. The power of multilingual YouTube channels. Create a YouTube channel for a different language audience. Record in your native language and use Rask AI to translate into English or other languages, expanding your reach and opening new revenue streams. Offering translation services to YouTubers. Offer translation services to other YouTubers using Rask AI, becoming a valuable service provider. This saves YouTubers from creating multiple channels and increases your market potential. Monetization through freelancing platforms. Use platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to offer video dubbing services with Rask AI. Create a freelancer profile, set your rates, and efficiently fulfill client requests, maximizing your earnings. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. Made easy. Become a Rask AI affiliate. Sign up for Rask AI's free affiliate program to receive a unique link tracking your referrals. Target the right audience. Focus on YouTubers creating multilingual content and businesses aiming for global reach. Spread the word. Promote your affiliate link via email, social media posts, or blog articles highlighting Rask AI's benefits. Maximizing your earnings. Create high-quality content. Ensure your promotional materials are informative and engaging. Offer value. Showcase how Rask AI benefits users. Track your results. Monitor link clicks and conversions to refine your strategies. And then implement these strategies to build a sustainable income through Rask AI's affiliate program. Method 3. Content creation on autopilot with AI. Imagine creating high-quality blog articles or social media posts with minimal effort. Rask AI can be your secret weapon. Utilize AI writing tools. Platforms like SEO Writing Assistant offer AI-powered content creation. Simply provide a topic and keywords, and the AI generates unique and informative content. Repurpose content for different platforms. An article written for your blog can be adapted into a social media post or even a YouTube video script, maximizing your content's reach. Focus on value and optimization. Ensure your AI-generated content is high quality, informative, and optimized for search engines to attract organic traffic. Method 4. YouTube monetization with a twist. While traditional YouTube channels rely on ad revenue, Rask AI opens doors to new possibilities. Create videos in multiple languages. Reach a wider audience and boost your ad revenue by translating your YouTube content into different languages using Rask AI. Offer affiliate marketing in your videos. Promote products or services relevant to your audience and earn commissions through affiliate links mentioned in your videos. Leverage AI script writing and video editing tools. Explore AI-powered tools to streamline video creation, allowing you to focus on content strategy and delivery. Method 5. Become a freelancing mastermind. The easy way. Don't underestimate the power of freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Here's how Rask AI can simplify the process and potentially earn you $400 a day. Offer video dubbing services. List your services on freelancing platforms, specializing in video dubbing and translation. Research typical rates for video dubbing services to set your pricing competitively. Rask AI does the heavy lifting. Utilize Rask AI to efficiently translate video content for your clients. This allows you to take on more projects and maximize your earnings without needing fluency in multiple languages. Focus on client communication and satisfaction. Maintain clear communication with your clients throughout the project. Ensure their needs are met and exceed their expectations to build a strong reputation and attract repeat business. Aim for positive client reviews to establish yourself as a reliable freelancer. Earning potential. By offering video dubbing services, and leveraging Rask AI's translation capabilities, you can potentially earn significant income. Here's a breakdown. Example rates. If you charge $50 per hour and complete 8 hours of work a day, translating videos using Rask AI, you could earn $400 a day. Start leveraging Rask AI today to expand your global reach and unlock new income opportunities. Subscribe to our channel.